Hi.
We are the Wallens. I like to clean the floors daily because people come in from outside and their shoes spread all kind of dirt, and I like to get rid of that before we go to bed at night.
What gets her more than anything, and she's done it 3 or 4 times, is calling people in to clean the grout. And after a while, it has to be done again. I spend a lot of time in my study that it's been well used and well worn. And I would challenge you to get it back to its original state. I have not seen the tile that clean since we put it down over 20 years ago.
Got the scuff marks right up, right away, without a lot of hard scrubbing and pushing. I can truly say that with the Click and Clean, it's not hard work. It's easy, it's efficient, it's much quicker, and I think I'll enjoy using it, honestly. I do.